M4 MacBook Pro, M4 Mac Mini, and M4 iMac to launch this year. As the much-anticipated launch of the next iPhone series, the iPhone 16 has taken away all the limelight. The long-rumored iterations of the Mac are in the pipeline for this year. According to Mark Gurman, the MacBook Air, Mac Studio, and Mac Pro could be equipped with Apple's latest M4 chip, as well as receive M4 updates in the year following their release. Unlike the previous variants of the Mac series released in the fall of last year, Gurman isn't of the view with notable upgrades in sight, with the exception of new M4 chips. Since lighting accessories integration is still intact on the iMac, the M4 iMac is very likely to comprise USB-C accessories later this year. The Professional Apple reporter also has in sight an M4 Mac Mini. Provided that the gadget was skipped to get the M3 upgrade last year, Apple brought an upgraded version with the M2 Pro chip, which could do nothing but see trivial improvements. Regarding the M4 MacBook Pro iteration, it should be kept in mind that the MacBook Pro last registered an upgrade in 2022, while featuring a design similar to the 2019 MacBook Pro. The upcoming MacBook Pro upgrade is much closer to undergoing dramatic changes than other M4 Macs. Gurman attributes the reason behind this to Apple not updating its MacBook Pro since 2018.